Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and back in another video in my natural hair. Yes, it's all nice and thick and I just finished putting some conditioner in my hair, and I just wanted to give you guys just one of the natural things that I do, like just a natural hairstyle that I seen on Instagram that I want to try to do. I bought me some curling rods from the beauty supply. I have a few little hair products that I will be using. I was like so excited to finally do this hairstyle with my natural hair. Yeah, I just put some conditioner in my hair so it's still a little wet. Also be using some Cantu products. This is their, I think it was their Frizz and Shine spray, hold spray. And right now I'm just parting my hair into sections, and then I'm just gonna start, just parting, and then I'm about to show you guys exactly what I'm about to do. So right now I'm just putting some curling stuff in my hair, and then I'm brushing it all the way out. So just to make sure there are no naps, and see how curly my hair gets. Mind you, I've never done this before to my hair, but putting the curling rods in your hair is very self-explanatory. You just want to grab the hair after you put the product in and just wrap it around the curling rod and pull that little string up and insert it, and then you have it in place. And for the second row, so I'm going towards the middle of my hair now, I grabbed the pink curling rods. These are slightly bigger than the gray ones, and I wanted to use those for thicker curls as well. Hello guys, I'm finally finished. Well, it's finally the next day and I can finally show you guys the finished product, and I hope you guys enjoy. So while taking my hair apart, I also want to go in with any type of hair oil just to ensure that my hair is moisturized. And I really didn't like how my curls are coming out. I feel like I had too much moisture and I made my hair way too heavy with the product that I used. And yeah, you'll see later on in the video, I looked at my hair after I finished taking this apart, and I really didn't like how it was turning out. And I'm pretty sure that if I would have dried it out like completely before I put the curling rods in my hair, it would look much better. But as of right at that moment, I just did not like how my hair was looking. And so after that, I took a comb and I'm basically stretching my hair out. And just making it look longer. At this point, I still wasn't liking my hair, but for the sake of this video, I just kept it going. So of course some of the curls were not as curly as I wanted them to, but in the end my hair looks great. I'm very happy with my hair. I have been natural going on 2 years, July 25th. So I am very excited about that. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments of how my hair looks. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next hair tutorial. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.